Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone we bought on eBay. I'll have to edit out the address now, so that's cool. Here it is. It's a Nokia. A really nice condition on Cingular. Don't think it has a battery and it feels pretty light, but no, it does. Looks like it's probably going to be dead. It does have a SIM card in there as well. It's a Nokia 6061. Appears to be in really good shape though. A few scratches up there, but other than that, doesn't look like it's ever been dropped or anything. Sadly, it is dead though. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video, and stay tuned for the next one.